Now we're going to start the last section, continuing from the previous section. From here, you're going to actually bring two legs together, jump, and do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6th one, pull back, and an empty step. Step forward again, punch. We're going to raise this knee, your right knee, kick with your left leg. 1. Okay. Raise your right leg. Down. Up. Up. Raise. Down. Up. Punch. Block down. Punch. Punch back. Turn. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Chop. Cross your arms. Side kick. Down. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finish. Okay, let's show that again. From here, you're going to jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6th one, pull back. 7, step forward. Step forward with the other leg. Punch. Raise your right knee, kick with your left. Okay, now raise your right knee, put your left hand, punch down with your right. Stomp down the floor. Okay, step sideways with your right. Left hand. Up. Left. Grab, turn your left. Punch down. Okay. Get punch down. Jump. Up. Block down. Step forward. Punch. Turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Chop. Side kick. Now. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Let's do it one last time. From here. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Chop. Side kick. Down. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close. Wow.